Bambage sengiyavala before you start your day. Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and be courageous. Do not fear or be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Mabela leli verse as you are starting your Monday morning. Uqala nesonto ngithanda u-underline lengxenye ethi do not fear. Ungesabi ngoba mina nginawe. The reason you must not fear it because I am with you as the Lord. Na kunezinto eziningi abantu angabe bayiachievile, kunabantu angabe banezinto ezinkulu empilweni kodwa abakwazanga ukuthi babe nalezo zinto ngenxa ukuthi basuke bavumela ifear ingene ezingqondweni zabo, yangena nasenhlizweni zabo, basaba ukuthi bazofeyila, basaba ukuthi ngeke kuze kwenzeke. Kunabantu namhlanje kumele ngabe sibabiza ngo businessmen no businesswomen, but they could not start their businesses ngoba babesaba, they were defeated by fear. Kunabantu namhlanje abanama great ideas kodwa abakaze bewa implement ngoba basuke bahlulwa ukwesaba. Ukwesaba has destroyed many dreams. Ukwesaba has destroyed many goals. Abanye baye emathuneni nama big ideas bengawa implementanga ngoba basuke bavumela ifear yakha yahlala ngaphakathi kwabo kwaba yibone bacontrolayo. Namhlanje kuseni ngiyacela udeclare, wenza ama declarations phezu kwempilo yakho uthi I will not fear anything. I will be above my fears ukuze ngikwazi ukwenza izinto engifuna ukuzenza. Yonke into ofuna ukuyenza ingale kokwesaba. Yabona mawungahlula ukwesaba ungaba into engcono kunale oyiyo namhlanje. Mawungahlula ukwesaba ungakwazi ukufika la khona ubungakazi ufike khona ngoba kuneyindawo eziphakeme kumele ngabe usufike kuzona kodwa into esuka ikubambe usukubanjwe ifear. Kunama opportunities akudlulile obekumele uwabambe enze ngcono isimo sempilo yakho kodwa kudlula ngenxa ukuthi uvumela ifear. Namhlanje ngifuna ube bold. Ngifuna namhlanje ume ngeenyawo udeclare uthi ngeke ngisahlula ifear empilweni yami kodwa yimi engizoba ngaphezulu kwefear. Mayifika ifika ihlebezele indlebeni zakho uzuyikholo lento eyishoyo ifear. Ifear umsebenzi wayo uqeda amaphupho akho, umsebenzi wayo ukwenza ukuthi ungafiki la kumele ufike khona, umsebenzi wayo ukwenza ukuthi uyibone ngathi awuyilutho. Ngakho ngiyafisa namhlanje uqala usuku lwakho uthi ukwesaba ngeke kungahlule kodwa ngizoba ngaphezulu kokwesaba. Yini eyenza ungesabi? Ento eyenza ungesabi, it's the understanding and the revelation ukuthi you are not alone, you are with God. Ngakho if you want to start that degree, you are not starting it alone, but you are starting with God. If you want to start that business, you are not starting it alone, you are starting with God. If you want to grab that opportunity, understand and have a revelation ukuthi awuqali wedwa kodwa uqala noNkulunkulu. Into ebenza usaba ukuthi bungenayi understand ukuthi noma yini oyenzayo awuyenzi wedwa kodwa uyenza noNkulunkulu. Do not fear. Overcome your fears ukuze ukwazi ukufinyelela la uNkulunkulu afuna ufike khona. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning. Mega